In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change add to cart button color in Wix. A clear, on-brand add to cart button helps visitors notice the next step and can improve conversions. So let's make sure yours stands out while staying accessible and consistent with your store's look. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your website in the editor. You want to work directly on the page where the button appears, so head to your product page or your product gallery. Give the page a moment to load all elements, then click directly on the Add to Cart button to select it. When it's selected, you'll see its controls. Look for the design option represented by a small paintbrush icon and choose it. Next, select Customize Design to open the styling panel where you'll make your changes. In this panel, adjust the button color, which controls the background. Pick a color that aligns with your brand palette and contrasts well with the page so the button is clear at a glance. After that, set the text color. Make sure it's readable against your new background. High contrast is important for accessibility and helps users quickly recognize the button's label. You can also add or refine a border if you'd like a bit of extra definition. A subtle border that's slightly darker or lighter than the background can help the button pop without overwhelming your design. Keep things simple and consistent with the rest of your site's styling. Once you're satisfied with the look, click Apply. This saves the styling change within the editor so you can see it right away on the canvas. Then take a quick look around the section to confirm the button remains easy to spot among images, text, and other calls to action. If anything feels off, you can return to the same controls and fine-tune the background, text color, or border until it's just right. When everything looks the way you want, click Publish. Publishing pushes the update to your live site, so visitors will see the new button color immediately. If you revisit your storefront after publishing, you should notice the refreshed styling in place. That's all it takes. By updating the Add to Cart button's background, text color, and optional border, you create a clearer path for shoppers to take action. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more conversion-friendly product pages.